Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you guys can see pullovers as well as the long line jackets and one normal jacket as well. So coming to the piece number 1, it is a long line jacket from a brand called Must & Harbour. This I got it in a size of medium. This is made of polyester. As soon as I wishlisted this item during the sale, I visualized it as an alternative to the trench coat because it looks more like a trench coat. It have that overall vibe of a trench coat with the belt and everything, but it is made of polyester and it is much more thinner than a trench coat, which practically I will not be able to wear in the area where I am living in due to the climatic conditions, even during the winter as well. So I found this as an alternative. It is highly priced at 4,999 rupees, but I got 70% off during the sale, which I feel it's a great bargain considering the color. The first and foremost resemblance why I thought that it would be an alternative to the trench coat is one, because of this belt which wraps around the waist. It gives the appearance of a long line jacket without being too long. And also when it comes to this jacket, they do have both the button layout as well as the zippers. One more thing which I like the most is this spread collar. Overall it fits well to me in the size medium, but when it comes to the sleeves, they are a little bit on the lengthier side and they have more room. The other minor disqualifier would be the sound of it. Yes, if you see this, yes, it makes that sound whenever you move. That comes with the polyester. Moving on to the piece number 2. It is also a long line jacket from a brand called Sculpt. It is actually a brand by Shahid Kapoor. This I picked it in the light cream beige color in a size of small. This is priced at 3,499. I got this for a price of 975 rupees after applying the card discount in Myntra. Unlike the previous jacket, it do not have any belt to it. This jacket have a different vibe when it comes to the long line jacket, but the button layout and the zipper stays the same. Overall, it gives the streetwear kind of a vibe with this long line jacket, but still being on the subtle way because of the color. They have these bands which you can just drag down to get a more customized fit. This also have the hood to it. These kind of polyester jackets, not only during the winter seasons, you can use this even during the rainy season as well. These would be much more applicable during the rainy season partly, but considering where I am living in and considering most of the areas in India, they do not have winters which are much pronounced, I feel that these would be a great options. As I mentioned with the other jacket, the polyester material, the sound of the polyester material and also the color being light may not be super presentable when it comes to a polyester, but overall I like the color as well as the button layout. This jacket fits me so well. It is a beige denim trucker jacket from Highlander in a size of medium. It is priced at 2,400 and I got it for a price of 770 rupees. Yes, even though it's not looking like as a beige color, this is what I received when I ordered a beige color Highlander jacket from Myntra. It looks to me more like lighter shade of olive green color. I like the quality of the jacket, I like the fit of the jacket and also the price point. For 700 rupees, trust me, you will not get anything better than this. And also the best part when it comes to the Highlander denim jackets is the availability of the color options. They do have multiple color options, so you're not limited to choice as well. This brand, being affordable, also produces good quality clothing. Not great quality clothing, but good quality clothing at an affordable price points. It is made of 100% cotton. If I have to say minor disqualifier for this one would be the thickness of the material. Being a denim jacket, I would expect a little bit on the thicker side and have little stretch to it. It do not have neither of them. The material is so thin, but as I mentioned, if you want to go for light layering, this would be the great piece you have to target. Moving on to the piece number 4. It is a teal blue tailored jacket from Must & Harbour in a size of medium. It is having that bomber jacket kind of a vibe, but actually it is not. It's just mentioned as a tailored jacket and it comes with the hood and it is also made of polyester, but unlike the other tailored jacket, it is having that white color netting inside to it. The white color has been carried forward to the slit pockets as well as the strings to the hood as well. That's the attention to detail. Coming to what I like the most in this jacket. One, the teal blue color. So you already know this is one of the color you should be having in your wardrobe when it comes to the jackets because it's going to be super versatile. But rather than being on the just plain and boring side, this have the contrast going through with the help of the white color. This is priced at 2,700 and I got it for a price of 1,000 rupees. Yes, it's not too cheap unlike the Highlander jackets, but overall for the vibe you are getting it and the attention to detail, and this being the blue color, I feel this is worth the investment of 1000 rupees. Moving on to the next piece, actually pieces 5 and 6, because both are the pullovers. And coming to the piece number 5, it is a brown color pullover from Jack and Jones in a size of medium. This is priced at 3500 rupees and I got that at a crazy price point of 1200 rupees. What I like the most, I do not have this color in the pullovers, and second reason would be the merino wool. This is not a cotton knit sweater or a pullover, guys. It is a merino wool. Merino wool, if you're not aware, it is one of the premium material when it comes to the wool. And if you go for any other brand such as H&M or Zara, they do charge 3500 rupees to 4000. Even this is priced at 3500 rupees, but this being 2 seasons old, you can get this at a price point of 1200 to 1300 during the sale times. If I am you, I would be going for these pullovers for the practical utility purpose you get during the winter seasons. If you want light layering to moderate layering during the winter seasons, these are the best options to go. And the crazy part, they are available in multiple color options as well. I like the fit of it because it fits snug at the chest area, and important aspect when it comes to the pullovers or sweaters, they should not fit snug at the waist area. So it is having little room at the waist area, and also the elastic ribbed area when it comes to the end of the sleeves as well as the end of the hem area. For this, they have nice structure and elasticity to it, so it altogether feels like a high quality sweater, not anywhere near to the 1000 rupees one which you are going to get from other brands. Moving on to the piece number 6, it is just the other color options. As they are priced at 1200 rupees, I also got them in this dark green colorway. Whatever the advantages I mentioned for the piece number 5 stays the same for this one as well. But however, I wanted to tell you guys, this is not a merino wool. Even though it is priced 3500 rupees and even though everything stays the same for both of them, it is not a merino wool. It is just mentioned as 100% wool. I'm not sure whether what type of wool it is, so that you have to consider. Moving on to the last piece, and piece number 7, if I am not wrong, I kept the best for the last, guys. It is a orange full sleeve cable knit pullover from a brand called Must and Harbor. I love this color. It is not in your face kind of an orange color, rather it is a muted orange. It is kind of a brick orange kind of a vibe to it. It is priced very fairly, guys. It starts at 1999. Most of the time this brand offers 60 to 70% off, which brings down this price to somewhere around 700 to 800 rupees. For 700 to 800 rupees, this is going to be one of the best pullover you can buy if you are into the cable knit pullovers and if you need one. But the disqualifiers when it comes to this pullover, I have 2 minor disqualifiers. One, it is a little bit see-through, not by much, but yes, it is little bit see-through. And second one, which you have to consider, is that the elastic bands at both the hem area as well as the end of the sleeve areas, they do not have proper structure to it. That's why I don't know how durable this is when it compares to other high quality pullovers from other brands. But however, at price point of 700 to 800 rupees, you cannot go wrong with this. I hope you guys like this video. If you did so, please click the like button and subscribe to this channel, and also don't forget to turn on the post notification bell in order to get notified as soon as I post a video. That's it from me. See you guys next time.